Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US stocks closed slightly higher as investors awaited guidance from a host of Federal Reserve policymakers later in the week on the central bank's policy path, with a large amount of bond supply also due to hit the market. Silicon Valley investment firm Proof Group, part of the Fahrenheit consortium that successfully bid for bankrupt cryptocurrency lender Celsius, is in the running to relaunch FTX, according to people familiar with the plans. Tesla plans to build a €25,000 car at its factory near Berlin, a source with knowledge of the matter said, in a long-awaited development for the electric vehicle maker, which is aiming for mass uptake of its cars.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1530 GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 0700 hours GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction will be released at 1030 GMT. Japan's current account at 2350 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.